Hello and welcome back to MadLad Streams. I'm the MadLad, and today we're going to be looking at more ROS2 container development. Something I wanted to point out from the last stream is I set up this two container demo where we had one container publish an image and another container consume the image and display it up on a website as a video feed. So one thing I noticed here is that the CPU usage is quite high on the container where the image is being displayed, and we can prove that it is that container if I just, let me copy this. If I close the page, we can see the CPU usage in that container went down. So we want to address that because we don't want to waste CPU cycles doing nothing useful. And this CPU usage is coming from an excessively high stream rate for our generate function here. So as you can see here, the net IO usage was 1.85 gigabytes, and that container hasn't been up that long even, or it's been using up a lot of network bandwidth just because it's trying to stream at 100 FPS. Or is it? Yeah, that's 100 FPS. So instead, for a project like this, we're going to set a more reasonable rate of 10 FPS, and we're going to push this change up and make sure that it works. So let's see. Yep, we want to commit that. Is there anything else we want to commit? I think that's good enough for now. Let me commit and push that. I'm going to go ahead and stop this subscriber container, since we know we have to rebuild it anyway. And I'm also going to prune the container. Going to cd into my ROS repo. I'm going to pull down the changes, and I'm going to rebuild the project. So I'm going to cd into ROS2. Then it's going to be image pub sub, and in here we will want to run the command from the readme. So we want to docker build the subscriber docker file. This will take just a few moments. So I'm attached to my publisher in here just to make sure it's publishing images. Let me spin up another container here. I think I should be able to just keep hitting up. I'm going to attach to this container just so that I'm sure that I'm getting image frames here. And I'm also going to open up another SSH session here so that we can look at the stats for the containers. Let me reload the page. So we're now back on this page. We got a video feed. However, now my CPU usage here is down to 25% instead of the, I think, 75% that we saw before. So this is just a quick little kind of a band-aid here to help address the CPU usage on the web interface. I think this stream is going to be nice and short today, just because I gotta go back to work. But this has been Mad Lad Streams. Thanks for watching.